Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Fix It Easily. Many of my friends were asking from me that how we can export computer media to BlueStacks and how can we send it to WhatsApp on your PC. So first of all, I tell you that what is this BlueStack? This BlueStacks is actually a software by using which you can use mobile apps on your computer or Android apps on PC. I'm going to tell you that how you can transfer media from your computer to the BlueStacks, and you can also send it to the you can send it in WhatsApp, or you can upload to Instagram or whatever you want. Okay. So guys, if you want to use your mobile apps on your computer, you should also download BlueStacks because this is the best one software for this purpose. Okay, I'm giving a link in the description box. You can go and download it and install it. And let me show you that how it works and how it opens and from where you can transfer your media. So here we go, and you will see this. This will take a bit long time for the first time. It will take 2 minutes or 3 minutes. It depends upon your PC's performance. So it will take about 2 minutes or 5 minutes, but you should be patient. So here we go. And now I'm going to tell you that how you can transfer your media from computer to the BlueStacks or to the BlueStacks gallery. So you can see that I have gallery here and I have installed many mobile apps here and I can use it. Okay, if you want to install some new app, just search here. And let me tell you that it is totally like your mobile phone. As you use your mobile, it is just similar to your mobile. You can also use it as your mobile phone. So what you have to do is go to the settings, like pull it down, and this will open. And like in your Android phones, just go to settings. Here you will find out this thing that import Windows Media. Okay, so Media Manager will open and here we go. And from here I can select my data. For example, uh, let me go to the pictures and I want this something. I want this to be my BlueStacks. Open and this will first check the file. And here we go. So this file will be added, and now you can go to WhatsApp and send all these files to your friends and whatever you want. Okay, so guys, if you liked the video, please thumbs up this video. This was all about BlueStacks. So if you have any problem else with your BlueStacks, or you want to install some app and you have some problem, please let me know. Okay, so this is the time to go. So till next time, assalamu alaikum.